Carton taping machine, also known as a carton sealing or box tapping machine, is a device used to automatically seal carton or boxes. You can see two workers setting up the machine and the box going through the machine, and it's automatically sealing the tap. You can adjust the sizes, variant sizes, upper and the lower sizes you can adjust. The carton tapping machine typically consists of a framework or a structure that holds the carton in place during the sealing process. It is equipped with the tape and dispenser applicator that applies advised tape to tap and bottom flips of the cartoon. The tape can be either jammed paper tape, pressure sensitive tape. Carton taping machine comes in different configuration. This is the easiest and the popular model. You can see we have a radius stock now. Great finishing. The wheels are adjustable. Thanks for watching.